Hi there. Thanks for reaching out again. This time, I want to talk about object and array destructuring in JavaScript because it is a very important tools to be aware of if you develop in Vue.js. Destructuring allows you to fetch the properties from the object and the values from the array into individual variables. It just explains itself. You get out the properties in the object, the values from the array, and split them into their individual variables so you can work with them in your code. Let us go for some examples so that you understand what I'm trying to say. I will create a file, JS file called Destructuring. Then let us take a product as an object. I would say const product name of the product. We'll give him iPhone. So let me say company, Apple, price $200. Just a joke, just creating an amount I have in my mind. I know that Apple don't cost $200. And now, if you develop in JavaScript, the way you normally get these variables are like this. Const name is a product dot name, right? Then const company, const company product dot company. Now let us console log it. Console log product name name. Company so now let me go to my terminal. Say node structuring. Yes. See, these are the result. So now with Destructuring, which is going to be a one-line code. I will do away with this. Number 6 and number 7. So then I would say const, then with curly brackets. In this case, we have to make sure that the property corresponds to the property in the object. For example, name, and company. Assign it to product. So get that? It must correspond. I cannot just put anything here. It will not work. So let's check this out. See, I get the same result. So you're just saving some lines of code here. Just imagine we have a lot of property. This one will be really helpful. So this one is in the case of destructuring an object. But now let's just look at array. So if I come down here, I'll declare an array. Say my array. That is okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have my array. Say now I want to fetch the three elements in the array, the first 3 elements in the array. In a normal case, I will do it like this. Const const is a const bar equals to my array 0, right? Const to my array 1. Const a my array 2. These are the first 2 elements. Then I will try to console log them. Console log them. I mean, so then var var. Okay. So check this out. So this is the normal case. Now with the structuring, one line code, let me take away this line, these 3 lines. So then come down here. This time I will call the const, and now I will bring in this array brackets. The first one was object, this time is array. Then I can now specify my variables here. Say foo var game. Game. Also my array. That is it. Then check this out. If I execute it again, we get the same result. It's as simple as that. Like I said, it's a very important thing to know if you develop application in Vue or other JavaScript frameworks. It's really line savers, and it is nice to know. Well, that is it. I just want to share it, and I hope it will make you think a little bit about it. Maybe you have a better idea, but that's just what I want to share, and I hope you guys had fun with it. And please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and thanks again. Regard.